This is Afri Global Medicare Limited, the home of professionals, where we specialize in running and setting up of molecular laboratories and routine medical laboratories. We partner with both public and private sectors to bring the best healthcare services to you.
The life of an organism resides in a genetic code. The genetic code could be DNA or RNA. Here we do molecular diagnostics by exploring these genetic codes of the organisms. We can tell if the organism is present or absent, and if it is present, we could tell how much of the organism is present.
Here at Afri Global, we have state-of-the-art equipment necessary for carrying out molecular work, and we'll also maintain an environment devoid of contaminations. Some of the equipment we have include a thermocycler, an automatic nucleic acid extractor. We have a real-time PCR machine which we can use for absolute quantitation, for high-resolution melting analysis. Also, we can use it for genotype assays and so on.
At AML, we ensure the quality requirements of ISO 15189 are met in the bid to provide the best pathology services to our clients.
Afri Global Medical Limited is a center of excellence in pathology services where we investigate different types of diseases, and we use different body tissues, blood, urine, stool, and all forms. In Afri Global, we are at the top of the diagnostics in Nigeria, and as part of our public-private partnership, we have been able to have a relationship with Ogun State government to establish a molecular center for COVID-19 diagnosis. The center is located at Olabisi Onabanjo Teaching Hospital.
We are currently at the Olabisi Onabanjo University Teaching Hospital Isolation Center, where a new molecular biology laboratory for the diagnosis of COVID-19. This lab is procured by the Ogun State government in partnership with Afri Global, a company that has assisted several labs to function.
In this laboratory, molecular biology laboratory, we can run up to 48 samples, real-time testing there, and we are able to give accurate and real results there out to our patients without doubts.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Alok Bhatia. Afri Global Medicare is a world-class facility with complete and advanced diagnostics doing radiology, pathology and cardiology under one roof. We are the first laboratory privately which has partnered with the government of Ogun State in Nigeria for the COVID-19 testing. We have laboratory samples collected in the privacy of your home or office during this COVID-19 pandemic, so that you do not have to risk yourself to visit the laboratory. With 13 centers across 5 cities in Nigeria and 5 public-private partnerships, we boast of our quality and customer care.